Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, we'll go through our cross asset list. I will cover copper market, the WTI, US 100, US 30, USD yen, and dollar Mexican peso, about pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index, Bitcoin dollar, gold, aluminum, cocoa. So I will start with the coffee market, and this is the daily time frame. Of course, I'm using our FX platform for charting, and let's begin with the analysis. So what we had yesterday on the coffee market was a retest of the lower Bollinger Band around 220 mark, and we can see that market is still in consolidation. So I'm still waiting for a breakout of either support at 218.20 or resistance at 39.64 in order to confirm the stronger and directional move. So in case of the breakout, let's say in case of the support breakout of 220 and hold below, there will be a chance for 197.75 to be on the test. From other side, if market can break 239.64, hold above, there is a chance for market. And on the WTI, we have probably so far the best situation relative to other markets and so because we have a breakout. Yesterday, we had a breakout of this resistance and the pin bar high at 82.5 and the 6. See also that short-term trend is bullish in the last 20 days or so. And there is a chance for the market to retest 84.63 and then eventually to 6 mark. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame so we can see this breakout here. And now just the natural market is just holding pretty much sideways in a very narrow range. So after some kind of contraction or so, there will be a chance for upside continuation, and this is a solid trade idea to the upside, and I will cover uh, more details in a separate video, so stay tuned for next video. On the US 100, we still have a consolidation. Bollinger Bands are contracting in the daily time frame. So the last 7 days, we have contraction and have resistance at 20,170, support around 19,470 mark, and slow and fast line is sloping to the downside. So based on stochastic, there is some downside a potential condition, but overall price action, speaking of the price action, is just a consolidation. So I would like to see the breakout of either support or resistance to confirm further direction. In case of the downside break, there will be a chance for 19,000. So far, just a consolidation. 100, exactly, pretty much same thing in the US 30. We have last 5 to 6 days, pretty much consolidation, tight consolidation. Resistance at 39,580 and support around 38,000 mark. In case the upside breakout and hold of resistance, there is a chance for test of 40,000 mark. Is the downside breakout, we might see the test of the lower Bollinger Band around 1,100. Fast and slow line are pretty much flat, but the fast line is trading below the slow line, so we have that in a short-term potential change in the flow. But again, we need to break out in order to confirm further direction point. USDN is trading, as we spoke about, is pretty much relative strength leader. Watch other currency pairs, just going alongside upper Bollinger Band. There is no big sign of weakness. Market is just basically grinding at this point, slowly and steady to the upside. Hourly time frame, you can see here we spoke about this consolidation, the rebreak of 161.24. It's a good sign for the higher prices, and there we go, 161.66. So market is really, so the demand is in control with very little supply at this point. The upper Bollinger Band in the next level, we can say, is set at a price of 160 to 162.40, 40 mark is the next, but it's the upper Bollinger Band based on the daily time frame. Again, demand is in total control at this point. Dollar Mexican peso is just still in this tight consolidation. There is a fresh full cross on a stochastic oscillator. So far, just a flat Bollinger Bands, very narrow market. Can clear like 18.60. There is a chance for 18.75, and then eventually market play. Hourly time frame, we can see the market is still building higher levels. The attempt from sellers to do something to the downside was not successful, and market had a up move and have a continuation of that building of higher highs and higher lows in the time frame. So again, do see potential for dollar strength. The pound dollar, we have a rejection of the middle Bollinger Band and 1.2700. Slow and fast line is sloping downside at this point, so have potential for downside continuation, especially if we can break 1.15 and open the door for a drop towards 1.500 mark. Euro dollar is pretty much similar at this point. Bollinger Bands are not expanding, they're contracting at this point, and there was a rejection of 705. We might see the rotation towards the support or 0.066. But if we can see the bigger downbreak or so, then there will be a chance for a market to trade from a mark. Dollar index had such a good rejection of the rising 20-bar moving average, which is in Japan at this point. And as I said, short-term trend is bullish, and I see potential for upside combination. You can see here a quite aggressive rally yesterday on the dollar index, and there was a one pullback low, immediate retest. So I definitely see potential for upside development towards the major pivot from around 105. Actually, because I see potential for the dollar strength continuation, dollar Mexican peso, dollar yanking higher, eventually pound euro can trade lower, and their Bitcoin just a rejection of the declining average of 20 and middle Bollinger Band, and close well of the high, so still chance for the market to continue downside. Let's see the hourly time frame. We're just building this consolidation. So on the Bitcoin, if we can break and hold below 62,400 mark, break below and hold below, will be a good sign for the further drop towards 1,000. Pay attention to the downside. Gold market is pretty flat, very narrow price action, very huge consolidation the last couple of months. Nothing really changed. We have a resistance at 2373, and then we have upper Bollinger Band at 2050, a lower Bollinger Band in 2300, and support around 6 or 2286. So only if we can see the breakout of this range and a strong either demand or supply, and either hold above or below, we can see potential for next reference. So far, just a consolidation progress on the gold market. Aluminium is similar thing, but aluminium we can see that there was a down break and natural fallback, so there's still chance for a downside move, especially if the market can break 24.1. We can see drop towards 4. And on the cocoa market, we have this drift on the daily time frame, so still didn't any kind of the reaction for buyers at this point. So there is always, of course, chance for the market to rally, especially if we clear the 8,500 and hold above, and there will be a chance to reach the 87 mark. And that will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. I will cover WTI more details because we have a breakout. I will speak about potential upside objectives and potential protective stop ideas and so on. Don't forget also, if you didn't visit our website, you can do that. So fxcentrum.com. Have FXCT, so you can explore technical analysis, different tutorials, and trading ideas. and we have want to become a partner, you can be a broker, 100% deposit bonus. So this is a great boost for your account and so on. So explore, and you can of course open account in just a couple of clicks, either demo or live account, and enjoy. So all for this daily market analysis. Stay tuned because I will cover separately on video called WTI. So stay tuned.